So the first thing we said, oh, this is an arithmetic progression. Oh, that's $800. But okay, he will deposit $1. So that is the first deposit. So once we start thinking about AP, and we are thinking about AP, and he's going to do this for 50 weeks. Oh, so the first time is actually not 800, so he has 500, and the next is 2, and the next is $1. So we can say that the first we can start once we start thinking about sum of AP, we think about mainly about two main formulas. Is that not? This is the first one. Which one will work for us? This is sum formula. This is the most popular one, n over 2 a plus l, right? But there's also another one. I think this one will not totally work. This is the next one. S is n over 2 bracket square bracket 2a plus n minus 1. I think we have everything to solve this one. I mean, if we assign a to be 1, the first one he deposited, and increasing by d equals 1, and by saying that n equals, so he's doing this for 50 days. Okay, so now we have everything set up. We have everything set up. This will be for us 50 over 2 bracket 2 times 1 plus 50 minus 1 times 1 equals. So let's find this. 50 minus 1 is 49. 49 times 1 is 49. 2 times 1 is 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 49. Yes, 2 plus
49 plus 2.
Yes, 49 plus 2, that is 51. 51 times 50 divided by 2. $50 times 50 is what?
Now 1275.
1275. Then we are going to add 800 to this value. Is that not? Add, yes. Add 800. If you add 800 to it, it becomes what?
2075.
2075. So you're the one that sent this question. I would like to ask you, is 2075 correct? Have you checked the answer?
I've not checked them.
Okay, so we are going to leave it now at 2075. Okay, so thank you for joining me. Okay, everyone else, Auntie Taiwo, thank you still for joining me. Okay.
Yeah. If anyone, please, which of the GMAT material did you get this question from? Is the GMAT
Yes.
the 15th edition GMAT? And the one we use in class.
The one we use in class. This is much earlier. This is a more recent version. But I think too, yes. But if you are conversant with the one we use in the class, I think we should also be able to solve this. I mean, it's just the same. It's just the same. But I will forward it to you. Yeah. Chat me on WhatsApp. I will forward you. I will forward this current edition to you. So thanks for joining me, and see you in the evening. Bye.
What time is
It will be 7. Yeah, it will be 7. Tomorrow. Okay, you're going to sleep early. Just 7 to 8. We are done. But why not book? Yes, why not book? You can book a private class in the afternoon. I'm actually free. Yeah, so in the afternoon, just let me know. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, bye. Or can we agree for 5? Okay, so hello. So the sum of all the integers k such that minus 26 is less than k and k is less than 24. But so kind of so you kind of catch, oh, this is an arithmetic progression and we can use this formula to find the sum. First, let us find how many numbers. Remember that, so we are going to work from 23 because less than 24 and greater than minus 26. So 23 minus 25 plus 1 equals 49. Yes. So why did we added 1? But if, for instance, if you say 10 minus 1, that is 9, but we know that there are actually 10 numbers from 1 to 10, so we have to add 1 to make it correct. So 49. So the next is to use this formula. A is 23. A is minus 25 rather, and the last time is 23. So we use this formula. Minus 25 plus 23 is minus 2. 2 cancel minus 2. So we are left with minus 49. So minus 49 is correct. Hello. So one of the best way of solving math problem is to recognize the pattern, to model, to find a pattern. Okay, so to solve this question, let's start from an area. Let's say a square of 6. So 6 times 6, the area is 36. The perimeter is 24. Now let's take this perimeter. So let's call it a rope. And let's say we use the rope to form. Remember, 11 plus 11, 22. 1 plus 1 is still the 24. But 11 times 1 is 11. So we do the same thing here. Now we have 4 and 8. So 4 times 8 is 32. And we have this one, 5 times 7 is 35. What we can deduce here is that the closer the two dimensions are equal, so the larger the area. So in that same way, the area, so we are going to look for the last number that are equal, the two equal number, and it will be 7 times 7, because 7 times 7 is 49. 49 plus 49 is less than 100. So if you try 8 times 8 is 64. 64 plus 64 is more than 100. So 7 times 4 will give us the answer we're looking for. So when looking for 8 zeros between the decimal point and the first known 0 digit. So kind of see what they're saying. 1 over 10, we know that is 0.1. So there's no there's no digit. So there's no 0 here. But 1 divided by 1000 is 0.001. So there are 2 zeros. But if you also see, you will notice, as mean we change this to 10 divided by 1000, which now reduced to 1 over 100. So this will have reduced to only 0.01. So that means we are going to take into account the numerator. So in that case, but first let's reduce this. 2 over 1000 is the same thing as 10 to the power 3 is 10 to the power, here supposed to be a bracket. So 10 to the power 3 is the same thing as 1000. So 4, so 3 times 4 is 12. So we are going to take into consideration 12 as the 12 minus the number of digits of T4. Now from the questions, when T equals 3, so when T equals 3, so 3 to the power 4 is 81. So we are going to subtract 10. So we're going to say 12 minus 2. And 12 minus 2, so that is 12 minus 2 is 10 zeros. 625, that is 12 minus 3, that is 9. And finally, when T is 9, then T raised to the power 4, that is 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 is 6561. 12 minus, that is 4 digits. 12 minus 4, that is 8. So none of them is less than 8, because the question is asking if there are fewer than 8 zeros between decimal point and the first non-zero digit in the decimal, which of the following number could be the value of T? So none of them is 2, because none of them give fewer than 8 digits. So this is correct.